Patient comes, see my semen report, everything is normal, see my wife's report, everything is normal. Why we are not able to get the pregnancy? Why our IUIs are failing? The answer may lie in your DFI. Hi, are you wondering what I was reading about? So today it was DFI. DFI is DNA Fragmentation Index. It tells you about sperm health more than a normal semen analysis can tell. A normal semen analysis tells you about what is the count, motility, the morphology, pH, specific gravity, all these things, any infection, any pus cells in the semen. But it doesn't tell you about the DNA of the sperm. So for that you need to do a DFI. So DFI is done by two methods, and if the DFI is high, that means there are more number of sperms with a broken DNA, more than 15%, then it is considered as abnormal. More than 25% needs longer treatment. So what explains the causes of recurrent miscarriages, your unexplained infertility? Otherwise patient comes, see my semen report, everything is normal, see my wife's report, everything is normal. Why we are not able to get the pregnancy? Why our IUIs are failing? The answer may lie in your DFI. So DFI is something which tells you about actual inner health of the DNA of the sperm. And if it is high, what needs to be done? If there is any surgery, corrective surgery like varicocelectomy required, then you need to do that. If there is any exposure to toxins, then you need to limit that. If there is no prior history of any surgery or treatment, so it may be the cause. And in some cases, when the sperm DFI is high despite the treatment given for 2 to 3 months, then we prefer to use the testicular sperm in place of the normal semen sperms. Why? Because the oxidative damage which happens for the sperm happens when the sperm leaves the testis and comes into the pathway. While the sperm is inside the testes, it is protected by the blood testis barrier. बैरियर मतलब एक कवर जैसा रहता है जहाँ पे ब्लड जो है वो अंदर उसको डैमेज नहीं कर सकता. सो ब्लड के टॉक्सिन्स पे डैमेज नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो देयर आर 2 ways to go about the treatment. So consult a doctor, ask about DFI and get it done.